If you want a healthy long life, it's crucial to keep your arteries clean. Simply put, if arteries get clogged, your blood cannot flow freely and efficiently throughout the body. When blood can't reach the heart, it leads to a heart attack. And when it can't reach the brain, it results in a stroke. Don't fret, guys. There are many things we can do to limit the formation of plaques that clot the arteries. And it's as simple as watching what we eat and drink daily. This is why we're here to give a shout out to green tea. This familiar drink might just be our hero in the fight against plaques. In thousands of human studies, drinking green tea has been found to lower overall cholesterol, cut down on the bad LDL cholesterol, reduce blood sugar, ease blood pressure, and boost the good HDL cholesterol that helps remove cholesterol from plaques. It's like a spa day for your arteries. Wondering how it works all that magic? Let's explore what happens at the molecular level. One culprit behind artery-related issues is LDL cholesterol, called LDL for short, and it's one of the cholesterol types. When LDL particles go through oxidation, smaller and denser particles are formed, causing cholesterol buildup, or plaque, in arterial walls. This buildup can make arteries thicker or harder, which is called atherosclerosis. Now, here comes our green tea hero. It's packed with antioxidants, like catechins. These stop LDL from being oxidized and prevent clogged arteries right from the start. A common type of catechins that enhances our arteries like this is EGCG. In the advanced stage of atherosclerosis, insoluble amyloid fibrils are formed, making the buildup much bigger. A study suggests that EGCG can bind to a polypoprotein A1, or ApoA1 for short, amyloid fibrils, breaking them into smaller, non-toxic, and soluble molecules, and that's a win for better blood flow. Another study focused on A-beta-40 and A-beta-42 fibrils, revealing that EGCG doesn't break them, but directly changes their structure. So, these fibrils become non-toxic and less harmful to our cells. But heads up, these experiments were in test tubes, not humans, so the detailed mechanism remains an area of ongoing research. But one thing's for sure, there is solid evidence for green tea's anti-amyloid properties. Now before you start filling the kettle, hear this. 1 or 2 cups won't give you enough EGCG to clear your arteries. And due to its caffeine content, more than 8 cups a day of green tea might bring on headaches, anxiety, nausea, and heart palpitations. What about extracting EGCG from green tea at home? Not a good idea. The process is pretty complex. Moreover, too much green tea extract can possibly injure the liver. Let's keep it simple. 3 to 5 cups of green tea every day is optimal. Time it right. 2 hours before and after meals. It's not just good for arteries, your heart, brain, and overall health will get a boost. Alright, green tea's cool, but there's no one drink that magically clears all clogs. Keep your arteries happy with a balanced diet, good habits, and zero smoking. So, are you into the green tea habit or considering it? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't hesitate to pass on the knowledge and hit the subscribe button on our channel for more practical health insights.